Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce use on behalf of Ricky Ruli Afandi Siregar and Prita Sari Palupiningsi and Inas Suha Laila. Next Iriansyah BM Sangaji. Next Sigit Sukmajati and Novi Gusti Payanti. From author the Informatics Department of the Institute PLN Jakarta, Faculty of Electricity and Renewable Energy, Institute Teknologi PLN Jakarta, Indonesia. We will present our paper entitled Automatic Watering System in Vertical Farming using the Adalin algorithm. At 2020, the International Seminar of Science and Applied Technology. Introduction, urban community-based research in urban area is demanded to create new place to live. Plantation and agricultural land has been displaced by the construction of social facilities such as office building, soft industrial estate, and other. The impact of land subsidence can be overcome by farming techniques or space to produce agricultural products in urban area, which area often refer to as the concept of urban farming. Summary, water vertical farming. The suggestion is in this research to provide planting land by developing a vertical farming model with an intelligent system using the Adalin algorithm. The vertical irrigation process is converted into an automation process with a microcontroller-based irrigation device. Automated Internet of Things IoT in the form of real-time scheduling and monitoring. One of the methods in urban agriculture is the vertical farm technique, which technique of farming vertical using land upwards. This technique can be used as a solution for agricultural land which is starting to decrease due to being displaced by housing and industry. However, there are things that must be considered in this vertical farming, namely the watering process. So far, the watering system for vertical plants has been implementing an automation system, but the automation only depends on schedule times. Goal, the main objective of this research is to introduce a vertical farming model with an intelligence farming model, an artificial intelligence approach, and an automatic and measurable IoT approach, and predict the results obtained based on the knowledge base used with the Adalin algorithm. The following literature review is the state-of-the-art as literature review and related research gaps that have been done before, including the development of automatic fish feeder system using Arduino Uno, a method for monitoring voltage disturbance based on discrete wave lead transform and adaptive linear neural network, the key technology research on automatic monitoring and remote controlling of water and fertilizer on banana. Automatic water level controller with SOAR messaging service notification, automatic plant watering control component using VBGA device, the vertical farming, a review of developments and implication for the vertical city, the feature of vertical farming, the intelligent ecosystem, Cambridge consultant retrieve. And next, proposed system. The proposed system is the development of. It can be seen that the system is designed using the Arduino Mega microcontroller as a microcontroller that will receive data input from the sensor, soil moisture sensor. The data from the sensor is then processed using the Adalin algorithm, and the result of the data processing will activate the water farm with a predetermined duration. The result of the data processing are then sent via the Wi-Fi module and can be accessed through an integrated Android-based application via a web server. And next, based on the observation is now that the type of plants observed are water spinach and beach sunflower. Both of these plants have the following optimal growth criteria. It attribute plant name and temperature and moisture and soil moisture and specification. And next, the following in the system schematic make a circuit display for hardware design. Here is the design view and the microcontroller circuit design model. Microcontroller Arduino is described in figure. Adalin algorithm, the system and implementation. The implementation states in this study will be directed and two process, namely the pre-processing data stage and the Adalin neural network training process, where input and target are trained with a network been built to obtain the weight of the learning, which is then used as the basis for calculating the next incoming training data. Data pre-processing stage in this classification process, the data that has been collected will be normalized so that it can be used in Adalin. And the explanation of algorithm above and to target 0 the flash duration 0 second or not active. The data that has been obtained from the sensor reading are processed using data normalization techniques. The following is the input data from the observation result. Adalin training algorithm, the application or artificial neural network, especially the Adalin algorithm in this automatic sprinkler system requires a clear analysis. Adalin testing algorithm, the next step is to enter the test data, namely the data obtained by the sensor after 10 reading of temperature, humidity, and soil moisture in vertical farming. testing and the result, the system using the mean absolute percentage error method, the result of system testing using the Adalin algorithm are described as follow. Then the calculation accuracy value with the Adalin algorithm can be seen as follow, 91.7 presentation. Conclusion from the result of the research conducted, it can be concluded that the manufacture of automatic sprinkler that can do the watering process automatically on vertical farming using the Arduino Mega microcontroller, which is supported by built-in software and combined with several mutually supporting components. And next, the conclusion, the series of supporting tools for this tool are sensor temperature and humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, and Wi-Fi module and relay. Next, and also an integrated circuit with an Android-based application through in database MySQL, and a web server that will display information about sensor reading so that the factory owner can monitor anywhere and anytime while connected to the internet network. And it can be proven that Adalin can optimize the decision to determine the duration of the flash by production and accuracy of 91.7 presentation. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.